All right, let's start tracking on my Garmin inReach Messenger. From right here, we're going to just hit tracking. We're going to arrow to the right, and now there's tracking. So now we're going to hit on this middle button right here. Press OK to start tracking. There you go. It's sending points right now. All right, we're going to do a quick little hike. We're going to enjoy the Colorado scenery. When we get out here, then I'm going to track back, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the device. Now I'm going to track back. So let's see what happens. I've been tracking. It says my last point was sent at 2:56. Now there's stop tracking. Now I'm on tracking. I want to go to TracBack. So there's TracBack. So if I hit TracBack right here, so it records a point every 10 minutes. Well, we're going to see right here and see how accurate this is. So it gives me different points to I can track back to. So this may be not as accurate as far as the detail that the Mini 2 gives. So you can see right there it's 3:05, and if I arrow to the right there's 2:55. It is giving me 10 minutes. So I'm going to keep going back to the one I have when I started. I am going to select 2:45. Now it says follow path. So I'm going to hit OK. There, move for heading 0.2 miles. Okay, you can see I've hiked out here, not very far. But there's my starting point right up there. All right, so I came out here today to test the Garmin inReach Messenger and how well it tracks. What I found out today is, unlike the Mini 2, where the Mini 2 will put down real detailed tracks, the Messenger doesn't do that. It puts down a track every 10 minutes. So it's actually navigating to a waypoint. So you got to use your brain a little bit and your eyes. And it's like, well, okay, 10 minutes ago I was through there, but there's a forest or a rock or a river or a cliff. And you've got to use your noggin to then find your way around it and not fall off into a river. It's great to have this TracBack feature, but it's just not as good as the Mini 2. So I'll come back to what this thing is great at, and it's great at messaging, because it'll go from Wi-Fi self-service to satellite service, and it's the size of your wallet. Hey, next week I am going to go into the weather forecasting on this, how you can see it on the device, and also when connected to your smartphone. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you back out here in Colorado in the next video.